I'm sick of seeing images like this, and this used by brands to market their products for curly hair. Not everybody wants this for their curls. Some of us actually like this look. Why do we get these buzzwords thrown at us like control the frizz, mess, define, frizzy? I'm going to talk about in this video, so come along with me while I rant. What's up people, it's your girl Kiki and I do all things product reviews, curly hair tips and styling. This is a little bit of an impromptu video, but it's something that has been on my mind for a little while now, and if I'm being honest, I get tired of seeing the same buzzwords thrown out in the media to really market hair products towards us girls with curly and afro hair. Often we see commercials like this. Cue the girl looking unhappy with her frizzy, undefined hair. Now we're happy our hair's bouncy and defined again. Now these are all well and good, but if I'm being honest, curly hair is frizz. Curly hair in its natural state is frizzy. So why are we using the word frizzy in a negative sense to describe our hair? Some of us actually prefer our hair frizzy over defined, and if I'm being honest, it's just due to a lack of education and a lack of self-acceptance for our hair. Me personally, I like a combination of both. My hair on day one will need to be defined, and that's only because it lasts longer throughout the week and it holds the moisture a little bit better. Whereas if I went for the kind of voluminous, frizzy look on day one, I would need to probably moisturize my hair on day 2 and day 3 to just make sure it's hydrated and moisturized. So for that reason, I go for the defined look. But I know that a lot of curly, even some women with type 4 hair that is 4C, 4B, and I don't like to stereotype into those categories, but I know we all recognize those categories of hair typing, can't even achieve a curl. Their hair is just frizz. If you want to comb your hair out into an afro, there's not going to be a curl there. It might be very, very minuscule when you look closely at an individual strand. You will see a coil or a kink, but it's not going to appear to the naked eye as curly. It's just kind of going to look frizzy to anyone who maybe doesn't understand curly hair. So using terms like frizz and undefined to describe curly hair and to market products just doesn't make sense to me, because our hair is frizzy. Like, my hair is not curly, it is frizzy. It's curly when I have water on it, and it's curly when I have gel on it. But if I was to leave it in its natural state, as we call it, it would be frizzy, and that's absolutely okay. I prefer my hair to be frizzy over curly, because if it's curly and it's really defined, it's just got no volume to it, it's got no character to it. It looks pretty much just like Rick James.
I'm Rick James, bitch!
And I personally don't like that look of my curls just being straight down with no shape and no character and no personality. Like, our hair is frizzy, my hair is frizzy, it's not curly, and I love it that way. Let me know in the comments what you think about this topic, because I'm sure you've seen some of the marketing tools that brands use to advertise their product towards us curly hair girls. And to be honest, I don't want to see a before and after of curly versus curly. It's just undefined versus defined, which is a preference. Not everyone needs defined curls. Get over it.